How's it going, everyone? Today is July 12th. You guys, good morning. I want to get on here real quick. I want to show you guys a video real quick. Save this video. The next few minutes is going to be the best educational video on exactly how I set up my charts every morning before I enter into a trade. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for in the markets using these metrics to pull out funds, just as we've done in the last couple days with our prop firm account over here. I did end up purchasing a couple $150,000 accounts through Take Profit. And I'm going to show you guys exactly where we're at so far. So I've ended up purchasing 3 of these accounts. So far, we have made $2,170 per account, or just over $6,300 in the past 2 days with this. I'm going to go over Take Profit in a second and all the details that's involved with that. And then I'm also going to show you guys exactly where to grab these metrics that so many people have already done so, and then how I've set up my charts like this. Just real quick, I do want to give a shout out to all the new people who ended up purchasing these metrics and having an amazing success so far just in the past 24 hours. So when you hear your name, leave a comment below. Sean, thank you so much for joining our team. George, Alicia, James, AJ, Praddock, Cahill, Maria, Hendrick, and Kieran. Thank you guys so much. I'm excited that you guys have joined on board and you're going to see some amazing success. I do have a one-on-one call here just in a couple minutes here at about 11 o'clock. I want to give a shout out to this person as well. Carl, I have a call with you just in a little bit. If you guys are interested in one-on-one trainings. If you guys haven't done so already, before I dive into this, super simple. All these guys did was go to My Future Success or in the description. Just click I want this. This will give you instant access to every single one of the metrics that I'm going to go over in one moment here. Every single member gets 50% off training. So everyone who does trainings today and the couple I have booked for next week already, they are getting the discount. Please take a look at these 5-star ratings over here that we have on the product page. It is absolutely incredible what we're doing so far. But you guys, enough about that. Let's dive into the charts here, show you exactly how to set up your screen just like this. And I'm literally going to tell you guys right in this video, you copy what I'm about to tell you, your chances of making money in the market are going to threefold, triplefold, whatever the correct word for that is. So what I do, you guys, up here, I have 3 different futures accounts that I am now specifically focusing on. It is the ES up here. I then have in this bottom chart, CL, which is crude oil, and then I have GC, which is gold. These are the 3 that I have specifically chosen to pick trading. Just yesterday, I posted a video on the Take Profit account of doing about, I think it was about $1,100 per account, so about $3,300 total, and that was trading crude oil yesterday, not ES. So I specifically stay away from NQ just because it moves way too quick, but I have found these 3 to be the most successful. Now, how do you get your chart to look like this? All I want you guys to do is to go up to the top here, and you can choose layout. This may, I'll be honest with you guys, this may require you to up the package that you have on Tradingview. If so, I would highly suggest doing so. It's just a couple dollars a month, but I think majority of you guys already have this on your accounts anyways. Click this one where it has the big one at top and then the 2 on the bottom. That's going to allow you to have the 3 most popular ones that you're going to have on your chart. When the metrics are loaded on here, all you have to do is then go and click the different ticker symbol. So on the top, I have ES as the main one I trade. I then have CL over here, and then I have GC on this side. And then on my Tradovate account, same thing, far left. I always work in like a top-down method, so far left is ES, so that's my top one. Second one here, that is going to be CL, and then this one here is going to be GC. So that is how I'm going to be looking into the markets. All 3 of the futures accounts that I want to trade, all 3 of the future accounts over on Tradovate. So right when I get an entry over here, all I have to do is click buy or sell, and it's going to initiate the trade right away. What I will then sometimes do is, let's say I'm down here and I'm wanting to trade GC, I will then go to this top chart here as my main one, and I'll just type in GC just so I can have a bigger overall picture of this here, and then I can do it more of an analysis and kind of dive into it a little bit more. So that's just for a visual purpose. But let's go and change this back to ES for a second. The thing that all of you guys are waiting for, which I said in the beginning, is exactly how I trade the market to pull out funds. You guys, if you're new to this channel, or if you've been following me for a little bit, there's something that you've noticed on my charts that I've added just in the last week or so that I found some really good success. It's basically implemented into this indicator already. but I want to show you why I did it and why it's so powerful to take buy or sell signals when this happens. So to start off with, let's just show you guys exactly what does this dashboard actually say for people that are new to this. I'm going to break this down on the 1 minute time frame, which has been my favorite time frame to trade so far with these prop firm accounts. I would highly suggest if you're scalping in the market, use the 1 minute or the 2 minute time frame. Anything above that, the 5 minute and larger, it's going to take too long. You got to stay within trades too long. So what this is telling you down here, for anyone that is new to this, and this will be a good just recap for people who already have these metrics. This white line is going to show you money that's either flowing into the market. That's when you can see price increasing, or when money's flowing out of the market, that's when price typically likes to then decrease. Your other metric you're going to have is this middle band, okay? This middle band overall is going to tell you within this specific time period if we're trading bearish, price decreasing, or if we're trading bullish, price increasing. So if you have money flowing into the market and you're overall bullish as well, this is a great spot to be looking to go long. Now, these bigger dots, see these bigger green and bigger red dots? This is a strong EMA crossover to the upside or the downside. Green meaning up, red meaning down. So when you have all three of these metrics in line, this is going to give you the best opportunities in the market to be looking to go long. Now, what I've added on here for an added benefit, once you load all these metrics on here, the top portion, actually, I want to go over this real quick too. On the top setting, I want you guys to set this to, excuse me guys, 100. This is going to give you the overall trend in the market. So this is going to tell you if you're either trading bullish, bearish, or consolidating. So when you are bullish in the market, you want to have only those appropriate buy signals on. When you're bearish in the market, you want to have the appropriate sell signals on. What I do specifically, and this is honestly this simple, you guys. If I am trending, for example, over here on crude oil, if I'm trending in a bearish market overall, linear regressions tell me, and I'm trading below this 50 and I get sell signals, the amount of profit and the increase of probability of you winning trades with this increases dramatically. Over here on gold, take a look. Overall bull trend trading above this 50 EMA. We end up getting our buy signals, all metrics in line. 1 winning trade, 2 winning trades, 3 winning trades, just like that. 1 winning trade, another winning trade, another winning trade. Very small profits on these, but take a look even back further. Above, winning trade on here. Guys, this is what I'm looking at in the market. There's nothing fancy that I'm doing that a lot of people can't do. All I have is these metrics to tell me exactly what's happening into the market. I'm pairing this with a linear regression that automatically populates for me, and I'm just having appropriate buy or sell signals on, and I'm entering in on the DOM over here, and that is literally, you guys, how I'm pulling out money in the market. I want to go over to take profit here for a second and show you some other features and some questions that I've been getting on this as well. If you guys are ever interested in doing take profit, in the description below, I have a 40% off link that you guys can choose that'll give you 40% off of joining with this. I was very gracious to be given the opportunity to learn about take profit from one of my mentors, and he said, Justin, go ahead and try this out. I think it's gonna be really good. And you guys, what I've noticed is an amazing difference even over, I know you guys might not like me saying this, Apex trading. To be honest, I've actually heard more negative things about Apex trading in the last month than I've had good things. And I think a lot of traders are looking to switch over to something that has better overall qualities. And what do I mean by that, you guys? This is why I purposely bought $450,000 worth of accounts through Take Profit. The number of days that you have to trade are only 5 days to then get approved. Other ones go up to 60. Minimum days until your first withdrawal, 0. Other ones, Apex. I know this is true for this because I did it myself. Once you even get approved through Apex, you then have to wait a couple weeks per payout. You can literally do a payout the first day you get your live account and withdraw it right away. Process. Drawn out process on withdrawals. What do these guys have? Immediately. Contracts, test versus pro. That is fine. Don't worry about that at all. Pro account resets. This is awesome. You can reset. So if you end up getting to these accounts and you end up blowing the account, every trader does it. Hand to God, I've done a blown up account before, this is what's nice. It's like no resets available on other platforms. On these platforms, yes, you get 3 of them. So fees, there's only a one-time fee once you pass of 130. Honestly, you guys, right now, if you're watching this video, literally today when I post this, use that link because I end up getting, I believe the sale's still on. They're waiving this for life if you get in before their sale ends. It was a 4th of July sale. So make sure to use that today or sometime soon to be able to get that. Other ones monthly, and I can attest to this. When I did Apex, there was either an annual or a monthly. I paid annually, or like a lifetime, that was $160 per one, and I had five $50,000 accounts, so pretty deep in pocket for that. But other ones are reoccurring. This is just a one time. In customer support, you guys know my customer support. I'm usually 24/7 and I get back to you guys right away. These guys I've had amazing experience with as well. So when we go down here, this is the account that I specifically purchased. Excuse me, guys. And this is the $150,000 account, and I have three of those. If you guys go over here, just to be transparent, one, two, three, and I've linked all those together for a total of 450, and that's how I'm trading. With this, our profit target, you have to hit $9,000, and that once you hit that, then you're approved for a live account that you can start trading on. The max amount of contracts is 15 contracts, 150 micros. Remember, all it is, minis is just 1/10 of the size of a standard. Daily loss limit, 3,300. And end of day trailing drawdown, 4,500. Now, I'm not going to mention the person's name, but this is a very good learning experience that he sent over to me. He said, Justin, I ended up getting closed out on my position. What happened? And what we ended up finding out is the gentleman ended up having a position open and didn't close it out by end of day by the 1 p.m. time, and rolled it to the next day, and then the market went against, and then ended up closing that account. All trades do need to be closed out the same day. So if you open a trade, this is amazing for day trading, you guys. Open the trade, close the trade within the exact same day, and you're not going to have any issues. I end up going down here to CQG, since I end up using Tradovate, which is over here on that side. Let's go over some more things over here. Max amount environment. So, of course, you can do simulations, withdrawals. Profit split. This is awesome. 80-20 and 90-10. That's amazing. I love that. Maximum number of accounts, 3 and 3. So I have 3 accounts. And then what I'll end up doing is eventually I want to get another 3 accounts to have the max of 6, and then trading this exact strategy. So that is going to go over kind of the Pro and Pro Plus. But you guys, I hope you found a lot of education in this and transparency of exactly what I use, why I'm using this broker, where to get all the metrics, literally within moments. That we had just over 10 people purchase just yesterday and have already seen success. Had about just over 550 sales here almost just in the past couple days. Let's go ahead and actually refresh this, you guys. 547, we're looking at 557. So exactly 10 just in the last day of people seeing amazing success with this. You guys, there's a reason why. My name is Justin. I'm actually the founder of this business, and I've created these metrics. And every customer support question that I get, you guys are literally directly speaking to me. So every email that you guys get back, it's me specifically. And I pride myself on that and want to be the most humble, transparent YouTube trader out here to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. And I just want to educate you. It's honestly a reason why, you guys, this price isn't anywhere near $3.99, $4.99, or $6.99. I've had so many people say to up this price to hundreds and hundreds more. And the reason why I haven't is I'd rather have every single person who's watching these videos be able to have the opportunity to get in to make money in the market, and then to eventually end up do one-on-one training to just finalize and get a game plan down for yourself that's extremely successful. What I do in my one-on-one, you guys, is I will take, you tell me exactly the time frame you want to trade. You tell me how much money you're trading with. I'll tell you the exact amount of lots you should be doing, which futures you should be doing, the best time frames, and get a game plan down for you where when you leave that call, you are set up with the best success you possibly can have. Honestly, that's what I do. I love teaching, I love trading, but at the end of the day, I love teaching and helping people out more than anything. And I think a lot of people can attest to that who have done trainings with me and sent reviews on here. So if you guys have any other questions about that, please email me. But that is it, you guys. These 3, I have ES, CL, GC, all of them loaded up over here. All 3 of my accounts are linked together. This is an amazing deal right now. So if you're looking to do multiple accounts, this is definitely the time to do so. I'll go ahead and show you guys over here as well. Let me go ahead and pull up on YouTube. I'll show you guys exactly. Let's go ahead and edit this real quick. In the bottom here, in the comments or the description, you'll go ahead and you'll want to click this link that's going to be highlighted. This will give the 40% off. And I believe right now it's also waiving the $130 activation fee. So don't pay more fees than you have to. Honestly, you guys, don't do it. You want to be loyal to someone, take my word for it. It is going to be going up. I don't know when, but that link will get you guys directly straight in, just like we've had a couple people just do in the last couple days, joining along here with my success here. So, all right, guys, have a great rest of your Friday. I'm actually going to take today off of trading, and I'm going to be back on Monday trading these 3 accounts. We've done amazing so far. So far, just in the last 2 days, if you guys take a look at everything, how have we done so far? We need to hit our $9,000 goal for this week. Currently, per account, we're at 2,170. So we're getting closer and closer. So I'll keep you guys posted on that journey and give you guys as much education as possible. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon.